Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove lint filter from Beko drying machine. And to do this, first we'll need to open the doors, and depending on how they are mounted, you can open it from the left or right side. In my case they are from the left side, so I can just pull it and open it like that. And then we can find the lint filter right here. You can put two fingers inside there and simply remove it. And here's the first filter, and then there's the second filter. Now you'll be able to clean them under the running water and remove any dust or whatever is inside, and make sure not to use anything harsh because that would damage this thing right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.